Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best makeup organizers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Makeup Organizer Acrylic Cosmetic Storage. The next top-rated makeup organizer is brought to you by the hblife brand as well. First of all, this superb makeup drawer is made from durable plastic. It comes in black color, therefore, it is great if you want to keep your jewelry. There are 12 drawers you can get from it, and it comes into 4 different pieces of the box. If you take a closer look at its design, you will sure to notice that each compartment is divided into small slots. More than just being an convenient item to use, you can wash and keep it clean with ease too. At number 4. Clear Plastic Makeup Organizers Palette. Designed to have up to 5 compartments, this makeup palette will sure hold everything you need in place neatly. The full dimension of this product is 6.9 x 6 by 12.4 inches, so it is a good choice for keeping all types of beauty supplies. Better than many other choices, this one can even store tall bottles easily too. More than this, it also has a separate compartment for you to place brushes. With only this incredible makeup organizer, all the cosmetic products for eyes, lip, face, and the nail can be stored in one place. At number 3. Acrylic Makeup Organizer Set. Here arrives another stylish product which is perfect for the modern ladies. Felicite jewelry and cosmetic box are well produced from high-quality material, which is good quality acrylic. The very first awesome point of it is very durable, therefore, you will have nothing to concern about long-term use. If you take a closer look at the design, it is designed to have 4 pieces and 12 small compartments, perfect for storing lipstick and small jewelry. For protecting your jewelries, the mesh liner is attached, however, you can also remove it if you need to. Lastly, the size of this organizer is 17.1 by 11.3 by 7.4 inches. At number 2. Makeup Cosmetic Organizer Storage. Readaeer gets a slot in the list today for the product's plenty of desirable features. This cosmetic organizer is creatively designed to have 4 different pieces for you to keep your belongings. The organizer is also divided into 12 drawers and 16 compartments as well. This gives you more options and room in managing and sorting the types of cosmetic product you like. A black mesh is found in this product, and the purpose of it is to protect your delicate jewelries. Since the product is made from high-quality materials, it will not change or fade its original color at all. The size of this box is 9.5 by 5.4 by 15.9 inches. And, you can now buy it with the hassle-free satisfaction guarantee. At number 1. Adjustable Cosmetic Storage Makeup Organizers. The next product that we are going to introduce to you is the AMEITECH Makeup Organizer. The very first incredible feature is, it can be rotated up to 360 degrees. This way you can conveniently choose the cosmetic products and accessories. We believe that the more the better, therefore, it is designed to have up to 8 layers. With strong and large layers, you can store at least 60 brushes as well as 30 skincare products without any problem. More than this, this organizer is also well recognized for the sturdiness of it too. If you are looking for a nice gift for your beloved lady, we do highly recommend this product. Last but indeed not the least, this item carries the total size of 9.8 by 14.2 by 9.8 inches. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.